Hello everyone, start off by cutting out the shape of a bark of a tree with some green paper. Then take little strips of green paper, twist it and then stick them on top of the first bark. Add eyes and a cute little mouth to it. Take multiple strips of paper and then cut them up into pieces and then arrange them in a circular shape, and on the sides add hands, legs and a little head. Add polka dots all around as well. Next, we'll start off by taking a peach-ish shade of circular sheet. Now, make strips out of green paper and stick them at the bottom. Take some tissue paper, crush it, add it to the middle. Now, using a black marker, draw on the rest of the head and the legs. Next, take a red sheet of paper and then roughly tear it out as such. Shape it like an apple before you do so. Now, take the other piece and stick it to it and then add a ladder connecting the two. Now, using some clay, take some black clay and then make ants out of it. Add the detailing to it as such. Next, take empty peanut shells and then paint them in different colors, add clay underneath them. Stick them onto a white circular sheet of paper, do this in different colors and different layers. On top of this, add them in yellow, then add eyes and add a beak to make it like a chick. Next, take a lychee and then afterwards make a green leaf out of some green paper. Take the shells of the lychee and then stick them onto your sheet of paper. Now add the detailing, make it into a ladybug and then draw on the legs beside it. Take empty walnut shells and then paint them in any color that you please. You've chosen to paint them in yellow. Now add eyes to them and then legs underneath as well as a little beak. Paint on some grass as well using a paintbrush, or you can even use a toothbrush. Make a sun at the top. Next, take some empty peanut shells, add clay to the center of it and then make it face down as such. Add eyes to it and then add a little beak as well as legs as well. Make it look like it is eating a worm and then add grass. Next, we will start off by taking circles of bubble wrap as such and then color these circles. We have colored them in red, yellow and blue as such. Now at the sides, add eyes and a little mouth to it as well. Add little hair to it as well and then they should look like little puffer fishes. Add grass and pebbles to the base. Take some bubble wrap and then add tape to one of the sides, cut it out in the shape of a cloud and then stick it onto a sheet of paper. Make it look like a tree and then paint it in green. Add grass to the bottom and then add apples onto your tree. Next, take this oval-shaped bubble wrap and then color it in different colors as such. Add 61 underneath and then add clouds all around. Take some bubble wrap and a leaf and then stick some brown paper onto a white circular sheet of paper and then using a leaf, dip it in paint and then make these impressions onto it. Make little twirls to it as well and then add these little fruits. Next, we will start off by taking this rust-colored paper and then roughly cut it. Then take some blue paint dipped in tissue and then make these lines onto it. They should look like little mountains. At the base, use little pink coloring as such and then using a marker, draw on the barks of the trees. Add birds to it as well. Next, take the child's hand and then draw on the shape, add a pot underneath it and make it into a cactus. Add little thorns all around and then decorate your pot as you please. Once you're done, you may color it as well as you please. Add eyes to it as well as a cute little smiley face. Next, take some water and paint mixed together, add it onto a white circular sheet of paper and then using a straw, blow it in different directions. Now, take different little balls of clay in one color, that is pink to begin with, and then add a different center and stick it onto your sheet of paper. Stick them all around. Next, take a earbud and then mix in red and white paint as such in order to make pink. Make them in circular swirls, add a green stem to it. Thank you for watching.